Good morning and thanks for joining us. It's been active as far as weather goes this week, and it's going to continue. Another winter weather advisory is going into effect at 3 o'clock this afternoon and lasts until Thursday morning. So tomorrow morning we'll see some freezing rain and sleet develop this evening and last through the overnight, leaving us with possibly some slick conditions as we head towards Thursday morning. On the radar right now, we're seeing some of this light freezing rain continuing to try to exit. The front is just stalled 2 hours south and east. We're not seeing any falling precipitation really around Springfield, but some of that rain still lingering south and east. We did have reports of some slick spots overnight from the freezing rain up north and west. Also some reports of flooding. Remember, before this front turned into some icy conditions, it had very heavy rain. So we do have reports of some roads closed around Ava because of excessive water on the roadways. So you want to check with MoDOT to see how those road conditions are doing. Last 48 hours, we've had plentiful rain, a lot of rain, 2 to 3 inches in spots. Just yesterday, Springfield got 1.6 inches of rain, and areas around West Plains and Rolla had record daily rainfall. We're still keeping some flood watches and warnings in effect, especially for some of those eastern counties where they're already seeing some of that flooding and some of that flooding on the roadways. So please, if you do see water on the roads, do not drive in it. Turn around. Don't drown and don't walk through any high water either. As we head through the afternoon, we're looking at some cloud cover earlier on, and then after 3 o'clock is when we could start to see some of this icing come into play. That's why the advisory goes into effect later. We'll continue to see some of that icing overnight. I think it clears by tomorrow morning, and then we'll have a brief lull early tomorrow of just clouds and temperatures actually warming up into the 40s. Then we're going to bring in another round of rain as we head through the late evening and into the overnight Thursday. We'll have showers, rumbles of thunder, and possibly some more heavy downpours, and that continues into Friday. So the ice forecast for later on today through the overnight, about a 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of a light glaze. We're really along I-44 areas north and west. And now the road temperatures, the ground temperatures are cooling. We lost those 60s that we had from yesterday and the day before. So the ground temperatures are cooling, and depending on how well the roads are either treated or untreated will depend on how well the ice sticks. So anything that's untreated will likely be slippery and slick as we head through the morning hours tomorrow. So you'll want to keep that in mind. The next 7 days, we're going to continue to keep these rounds of heavy rain as we head through Thursday night and Friday, and then into Saturday as well, finally drying out, by the way, by Sunday. But with these rounds of heavy rain still likely, we're looking at another 2 to possibly 3 to possibly even more than that inches of rain Thursday through Saturday. So some of these areas that are already seeing some flooding and inundated roads will see that situation only worsen with more heavy rain on the way. 33 degrees today with some of that light freezing rain and sleet starting up later on this afternoon. 30 on the overnight with that light freezing rain and sleet. 47 tomorrow. We'll have that brief lull early, and then we're looking at plain rain, no ice, because temperatures will be warm enough to sustain just rain in the afternoon. Some heavy downpours and rumbles of thunder possible. Showers and thunder continue Friday and Saturday with mild temperatures in the 50s and 60s. Finally dry with sunshine. Really pleasant on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday.